video, we're gonna solve for x for the following logarithmic equation. So one thing that we need to note before we can start solving this problem is that we have log base 2 of x plus log base 4 x is equals to 3, right? So the main important thing to note is that the two bases of the two terms of the two logs are not the same. And in order to apply the law that says log base b of x plus log base b of y is equal, this is equals to log base b x times y. So we want to try and apply this law, right? But one thing that we note is that the bases are not the same. So we need to change the bases to be the same. We need to make the bases to be the same, right? We need to make or change the basis um, basis to be the same in order to solve this problem. That's the first thing. So I just wanted to put a note down so that you write it down and then you can be able to remember next time when you approach a problem similar to this one. So now what we can do is that we always want to try to change the bases to the smaller base, right? So we're gonna try to change this one. So we're gonna change to the small base. We're going to change to the small base. That's the first thing. These are some of the important tips that I can give you in like applying the change of bases law, right? So there's a law for change of bases. So the law for change of bases, just for you to remember it, for the law of change of bases, it says that you have log base of b, right? And then you are given x here or anything, right? So in order to change to the desired basis, maybe you desire to have base c, and then you're gonna do this. You're gonna just simply apply this law, right? That's what we're gonna apply for the log base 4x. Yeah, so let's now dive into solving the problem. So in this case, we're gonna leave log base 2 untouched. we're gonna leave log base 2 untouched, and then this is gonna be plus log base 2 and then x over log base 2 of 4, it's equals to 3, right? So that's the first step into solving that problem. So now we need to try and eliminate this one. So this becomes log base x plus log base 2 over log base 2, and then 2 to the power 2 is equals to 3. And then we're gonna go back and then we're gonna use that law that says log base b of x to the power maybe c, it's equals to c log base b of x. So remember this law, remember this law. That's what we're gonna use on our fraction denominator there. So this remains untouched, log base 2 of x plus log base 2 of x over 2 log base 2 of 2 is equals to 3. And then remember another law of log that says that log base b of b is always equals to 1. So these are some of the laws that you need to remember. So now this becomes log base 2 of x plus log base 2 of x over 2 times 1, it's equals to 3. Now, what do we do now to eliminate the fraction? We're going to multiply both sides by 2. So we're going to multiply this side by 2, multiply this side by 2, and then now this becomes, what does this become? This becomes 2 log base 2 of x plus log base 2 of x, right? It's equals to 6, right? quite interesting. So now what do? We want to apply the first law that I indicated up there. So we're gonna use the reverse law. Take this 2. We're gonna take this 2 to become the exponent here. So this will give us log base 2 of x plus log or x to the power 2. So about that. And then log base 2 of x is equals to 6. And then what do we then do here? We're gonna say log base 2, and then this is gonna be x to the 2 multiplied by x. It's equals to 6, right? And then this is log base 2, and then x to the 3, it's equals to 6. And then remember, whenever you are trying to solve for x and then you're given a log equation, in order to solve for x, you need to convert your log equation into exponential, right? And then to do that, simply you're gonna take this 2 and then make it the base here, and then this now then become x to the 3, it's equals to 2 to the 6. That's how you convert from log to exponential. And then now, in order to solve here, what can you do? Yeah, there's so many ways. So you can just say leave this one, and then this is x to the 3. There's so many ways to solve for this, and then this is 64, and then now don't forget this is x to the 3, and then this is x, it's equals to cube root of 64, and then this is equals to just 4. So that's your final answer for this problem. And yeah, so what I can emphasize is that always remember your laws of logs and laws of exponential. Those laws are very important. Yeah, this is the end of the video. Do not forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for future uploads. Thank you.